This is the Better Products Company. Their customers like them very much because they make products of an extraordinarily high quality that can not only be produced more quickly, but even cheaper than their competition. This is LightBridge. Better Products likes LightBridge so much because LightBridge helps to make products of an extraordinarily high quality that can not only be produced more quickly, but even cheaper than their competition. Here we have Jim, Bill, and Paul. Jim is responsible for the smooth operation of the production facilities. Bill is the product manager and ensures that Better Products sells better products. Paul is the development manager, and he wants Better Products to use the very best technology available, which will make them so much better than the competition. Once, in the days prior to Better Products' use of LightBridge, there were a lot of problems entailing the quality control inspection systems. Jim, Bill, and Paul were collectively convinced something had to be done. Jim implicitly wanted small industrial PCs, which could be used a safe distance away from the production, thus protecting them from dust, dirt, and electrical disruption. But cameras that can send high-resolution images to a PC at great speed could only do so using very short cables and when connected to a frame grabber. Thus, both PC and camera always had to be located in the immediate vicinity of the production facilities. Sadly, the Better Products robot didn't like the available short, rigid cables at all. After just a few applications, they were the worse for wear and needed to be replaced. The inspection system at the heart of the production caused problems of a different kind, an electrical malfunction. That could well backfire at some point. But Jim, Bill, and Paul were in no mind to give up. Wasn't there a company offering just the right solution? Yes, Silicon Software. And the solution is LightBridge. The engineers at Silicon Software asked themselves one very simple question. Why on earth does the frame grabber always have to be installed in a PC? What if we liberated the frame grabber from its PC shell and gave it its very own home? LightBridge was a dream come true for Jim, Bill, and Paul. From then on, the small, robust LightBridge took center stage, up close to the cameras and in the midst of things. Now, protected and in safety, Jim can set up the PCs around 100 meters away from the production facility. Happy Jim. No more data transfer problems, thanks to Thunderbolt, the super technology with a data transfer rate of up to 2 gigabytes per second. The little LightBridge connects Jim with the broadband camera link cameras and, via an electrical or optical Thunderbolt cable, with his new mini-industrial PCs at the lowest possible prices. The camera link cameras, Thunderbolt, and the PCs immediately get along fabulously with one another. PCIe technology is the key. Jim is glad that the Thunderbolt plugs can also be screwed together. The new optical high-flex cables are compact and flexible. What makes Paul even happier is the fact that with visual applets, the engineers from Silicon Software gave him the possibility to program the centerpiece of LightBridge, the FPGA processor, himself. Now, Paul can decide whether he wants LightBridge to take on additional inspection tasks or even work as an independent image processing system. John's happy now too. John is the boss at Better Products and is soon aware of an increase in turnover, growth in customer satisfaction, and reduction in costs. Jim, Bill, and Paul all receive a pay rise. And, at long last, John has time to spend with his family.